Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis with technical analysis over on Rivian, ticker RIVN. So they have just had their earnings, they did fall on earnings, so what are key things I'm paying attention to? So now just as a heads up, this is having to be recorded on the Thursday. I think this is going to be uploaded on the Saturday, so there might be a bit of price movement, but overall the levels will be the same. So right now we're sitting at around $15.50. We got that 52-week low at $15.25. Now it wouldn't be unlikely to break that 52-week low because we do have our first deviation at $13.25 to $12.75. So really this is kind of our target, or my target at least as of now. I would expect it to come down and kind of hit this level, but now this can be used kind of beneficially. The first time we come into this level, I would expect as a minimum a bounce. So that's the way I always look to play this. Play it as a bounce. I move my stop to break even, take in a bit of profit. If it continues up, okay, my target is going to be on the high end, $20. So I know that's my target. I'll lock in some profits, move my stop to break even. If it does that full-on reversal and goes all the way to $20, that's a home run trade. Cool, we great, make good money. But on the other hand, if it goes up to say, $14 or $15, we've locked in some profits, we moved our stop to break even, it starts to reverse. Okay, cool, we get out the rest of it, break even. We can manage that. Then we still make a small win on the trade, but then really it's just waiting for that next trade opportunity. And where will that be? If we can break through both of these levels, come back to retest it as a resistance, and it holds, then it's a good indication that we'll actually continue lower. And then I'll be looking at 1640. Or kind of 1650 to around 460 as my next targets to be trading to. So those are the key supports I'm paying attention to on Rivian. Like we said, we have our target at $20 if we did hold this stock long. And then the level right above that is just 2075. Now, these dashed lines, these are statistical mean. Basic statistical mean is just considered fair value. So to me, I never want to be trading off of this level. I might trade to it, use it as a target, because overall this is where you expect the price to reverse to. But trading off of this level is pretty much a gamble, because if your stock is at fair value, there is no reason for it from a technical perspective to really go up or down. So really, I don't like to trade in that area. I just trade to it. So if we can break out of that and we end up pushing to the upside, what are going to be key resistances? So I'm looking at 27 and $29 as key resistances. If we break that, I'm looking at 34, 37, $40. Again, yes, we do have more targets going higher, but that's a very big move from where we are now. Not really much point in plotting them. But really the key focus as of right now on Rivian, for me at least, is push down to this 13.25 and just looking for the bounce on this. Again, once it's up a bit, move my stop to break even. And then, lock in some profits and try and hold, see if you can push back to around that $20. But if not, again, we're going to have that break-even stop, so there shouldn't be too much downside risk on the trade. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Rivian. Let me know if you're currently holding this stock, whether that's a trade or investment, in the comments below. And if you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.